Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered why your Power BI reports are running slow, or how to pinpoint those performance bottlenecks, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of Power BI's most powerful, yet often overlooked tools, the Performance Analyzer. The Performance Analyzer helps us understand what's happening behind the scenes when our report pages load and our visuals render. It records the duration required for each visual and its underlying queries to complete, giving us actionable insights. So, how do we get to it? It's super simple. You'll find it in the Optimize tab in Power BI Desktop. Just click on Performance Analyzer. And there it is. Now, before we start analyzing, make sure you're on the report page you want to investigate. To begin, click Start Recording. Now, every interaction you make on this report page will be captured. Let's try refreshing some visuals. I'll click on a slicer to filter the data. See how the visuals are updating. The Performance Analyzer is now logging the time it took for each of those visuals to respond to my interaction. You can also click Refresh Visuals if you just want to measure the initial load time of the page. Once you've performed your interactions, click Stop Recording. You can click on the Export button to save the results in a JSON file, which you can analyze later in another application or even in Power BI itself. You can click on the Clear button to clear the results from Analyzer. You can smartly use the Performance Analyzer tool to optimize your DAX queries. You can create various queries, compare their performance, and finally select the best performing query. So, let's suppose we want to calculate profit percentage, and we have two queries we can use to calculate the same value. This is the first query, which divides profit by sales and calculates profit percentage. However, we can calculate profit percentage through another query as well. And this is the second query that we can use. And now we have both queries in the form of measures. Let's create a new page and place two visuals each displaying value from one of these measures. Now, let's click on the Start Recording button to record our performance. And now you can see the performance of both visuals and their underlying DAX queries. We can clearly see that the second query has outperformed the first one. And the reason is that the sum function, unlike the sumX function, does not iterate through the rows. Therefore, it is wise to use the second one in our reports, instead of the first one. Beyond DAX queries, if you find visual display is consistently high for certain visuals, it might indicate you have too many data points, complex formatting, or perhaps too many visuals on a single page. Consider simplifying the visual or breaking up your report page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.